Welcome back. In this session, we will continue our web analysis series. So, in this session, we will create application load balancer. So, first thing will be what is load balancer. So, load balancer will distribute incoming application traffic across multiple targets, and these targets could be your EC2s or set of load balance set of ASG also. So, suppose in AWS you will get lots of three types of load balancer: application load balancer, classic load balancer, and network load balancer. So why we are using this application load balancer? So basically application load balancer works on OSI layer 7 and TCP layer 5. So what will happen, it will only redirect traffic for HTTP and HTTPS traffic. And in this you will get load balance. In this suppose this is your load balancer, and in this, based on some rules, it will redirect traffic to target groups, and these target groups will be your EC2 machines, or either it could be your Lambda also. And under this listener, so what will be the listener? So listener is a process that checks for connection request. Like suppose if your target is 443, and suppose some happen and it is down, so what will do load balancer? It will not redirect your traffic to your target machine. And what is rules? And rule is basically a condition that meets to traffic for forwarding. Like suppose if mm, some rules are there, like suppose if you want to redirect some traffic based on certain request, so you can make this type of request on these rules. And apart from that, we will create one load balancer. So in here we need to search for EC2. And one more thing, for AWS we are using here application load balancer, because in this we can also able to fetch some custom responses that I will show you in this demo. Here, wait for a while, just click on this create load balancer. It will be our application load balancer. Here you need to give some name. So currently let's take it as web demo, and it will be our internet facing, and listener will be our HTTP 80, and AZ, let's define three things. And this global accelerator, it will be used if you want to perform if you want to improve your performance. Like suppose if you are in your target groups heavy application is there, so on that case, for performing your application, you can use AWS global accelerator. And now here you need to configure security groups. Let's suppose I am creating new one, so it will be web demo, and what I am doing, I am allowing all 80 traffic for anywhere. Routing, create new target group, suppose web target group instance, IP health check, that's it. New register, no need to register targets. Click on this and then create. Here also in listener you have to click on this point, view or edit rules. Come to this point, and here we need to make some edit. We don't want this, we want some custom fixed response code will be 200, WAF works. So what will happen if anyone can access our load balancer URL, then he will get WAF works response update. Here it will take little bit time for provisioning load balancer. Let's wait for certain time. Here this is our DNS. Copy this, paste over here. A WAF works. So in this case our WAF, our ALB is working fine, and it is give us our proper response. So that's it for this lecture. In next lecture we will configure WAF on top of this application load balancer, because here also in this section you can see integrated service. Here WAF, after creating WAF it will comes under this section, AWS WAF. So okay guys, see you on next lecture.